Hello everyone. Let's start worksheet. The worksheet chapter 7 history civilizing the native and educating the nation. Worksheet number 7. Everyone please write down your name, class, section and roll number. Okay. First, tick right the correct option. The word by education, I mean an all-round drawing out of the best in child and man body, mind and spirit. Literacy is not the end of education, nor even the beginning, said by Rabindranath Tagore, B. Mahatma Gandhi, C. Shri Aurobindo Ghosh, and D. Kasturba Gandhi. Yes, Anya Khera, Ananya Khera.
मैम महात्मा गांधी.
Option Mahatma Gandhi. Who could deny that a single shelf of a good European library was worth the whole native literature of India and Arabia? These words are declared by Henry Thomas Galbraith, Warren Hastings, William Jones, Thomas Babington Macaulay. Yes, Anshika Agarwal.
Ma'am, option D.
Option D, Thomas Babington Macaulay. Yes. The term generally used to refer a local language or dialect as distinct from what is seen as the standard language is known as Vernacular, Orientalism, linguism, or contemplation. Yes. Answer is vernacular. Yes. He had been asked to report the company on the progress of education in vernacular school. He was Thomas Macaulay, William Jones, Paul Brooke, William Adam. Yes, raise your hand. William Adam. Unable to establish an institution within British controlled territory, the missionaries set up a mission at Sempor in an area under the control of East India Company, Danish East India Company, Scottish Missionary, French Company. Yes, the answer is Scottish Missionary. State whether the following statements are true or false. The Hindu college was set up in Banaras in 1781. Is it right or wrong? Yes. Yes, Neha.
Ma'am, false.
False. Because the Hindu college was established in Banaras in 1791. According to Mahatma Gandhi, the English education created a feeling of inferiority in the mind of millions of Indians. Statement is right or false? True or false?
Ma'am, true.
Yes, it is true. James Mill was in favor of tradition of orientation. Ananya Jain,
Ma'am, false.
false. He who attacked the Orientalists. He was one of them. Rabindranath Tagore felt that children ought to be subjected to strict discipline. Yes, Anshika.
Ma'am, true.
To be subjected strict discipline. No, he was against it. Jones and Coburg went about discovering ancient texts, understanding their meaning, translating them, and making their finding known to others. Yes. True or false? Yes. Ananya, roll number 1.
Ma'am, true.
Now come to the next.
हाँ यार.
State whether the following statement are true or false. The Hind, ये तो हो गया. Second, next one. Come to the fill in the blanks. James Mill was one of those who attacked the dash. Who attacked the? Yes, Ananya Khaira.
Ma'am, Orientalist.
Yes, Orientalist. By the 1830, the attack on the Orientalists became sharper. One of the most outspoken and influential of such critics of the time was answer is everyone turn on your camera. Thomas Babington Macaulay. Thomas Babington Macaulay. Hastings and other Orientalists needed Indian scholars to teach them the dash language. In which language? Yes, Ananya Jain.
Ma'am, Western languages.
In Western language. Together, the various British officials, John set up the Dash of Bengal and started a journal called Dash. John set up Asiatic Society and journal called Asiatic Researches. Fifth, following Macaulay's minor dash of 1835 was introduced. Which 1835? The English Education Act of. The English Education Act of. Now come to the next. Match the item in column A with those in the column B. Abode of peace. Find out everyone. Abode of peace. Yes, Ananya, roll number 1.
Shanti Niketan.
Yes, Shanti Niketan. Local school. An official report. A person born in specified place. A person who can read, write, and teach Persian. Yes, Anshika Goyal. Local school.
Ma'am, Pathshala.
Pathshala. An official report. Dispatch. A person born in specified place, sorry. Yes, Ananya.
Native.
Native. And a person who can read, write, and teach Persian. Anshika Goyal. Neha.
Ma'am Munshi.
Munshi. So you can check numbering 41532. Next, very short answer type question. Why was the Hindu college established in Benares? What is the reason behind it? Yes. What was the aim, objective? Yes, Ananya Khara.
Ma'am, to encourage the study of ancient
Sanskrit
Sanskrit
text
text
that would be
that would be useful for the century.
administration of the country. Yes. What type of education was given to the children in Pathshala? Yes, Anshika Goyal.
Ma'am, children were given oral education in Pathshala.
Oral education in the Pathshala. What measures F? What measures were taken after issuing Wood's dispatch? Education department of the government was set up to extend control over the matter regarding education. The second, establish system of university education. And third, and university were being established in Calcutta, Madras and Bombay. Fine. Why were classes not held during harvest time in local school, in Pathshalas? Because the rural children often work in the field. They were busy in field, yes. What task was assigned to Pandit by British company? Anshika Goyal. What task assigned to the Pandit by British company?
Ma'am, the company assigned the Pandit to visit the Pathshala and try to improve the standard of teaching.
Pandit Who is the each in charge looking after 4 or to 5 school, and the task of Pandit was to visit Pathshala and try to improve the standard of teaching. G question, long answer type question. Give a detailed account of Wood's dispatch. Yes, Ananya Khara. Charles Wood dispatch 1854. Charles Wood, the president of the Board of Control, did yeoman's service in spreading education in India. When in AD 1854, he sent a dispatch to Lord Dalhousie, to then the Governor General of India. It was a recommendations or recommended therein that the education department was to be established to every provinces, to showcase a model of university system like London in they established the university in big cities such as Bombay, Calcutta, Madras. At least one government school should be open in every district, and affiliated private schools should be given grant in aid. Indian native should be given training in their mother tongue too. Okay, so these are the recommendations or the account of Wood's dispatch.